I actually worked for a small family-owned business, and I was able to see the difference that happened when we brought an accountant onto the company as a controller.
Instructors who are more knowledgeable and who actually care about you. And that probably has a lot to do with the small class size, but honestly, I've never met people more brilliant. And they're sharing that knowledge with me, and I can translate that to the workforce. One of my goals was I wanted to, right out of college, go work for a big multinational company. And I realized that MAcc was a direct pathway to the Big Four.
One of the things that I love about the MAcc program is the diversity in the student body, the experiences, and I really love getting to know everybody and getting to know the different things that they bring to the program.
I think if you're considering accounting, what may be surprising is that it's a very social career. You're not going to be in a room crunching numbers all day. Really, part of it is going out, meeting clients, but it really is a personable profession.
We got to hear from so many accounting professionals that started their career in accounting and pursued so many different paths. So it was just really interesting to see where we could all end up in the next 20 years. There's endless opportunities with accounting.
Being able to accomplish my goal in 1 year was really advantageous for me.
One of the things I love about this program is that it prepares you for the CPA exam, but it also takes you one step further. They really focus on thinking, why does accounting work?
Whether you realize it or not, accounting touches your life every day. An understanding of it is really great for understanding the world around you.